Hey everybody, on today's video, we're going to test this vinyl adhesive sticker. We're going to be using it to fix our window temporarily on our car because somebody cracked it. However, you can use this in all sorts of arts and crafts or to wrap anything that you want. The roll is 12 inches by 10 feet, but it does come in different sizes and an assortment of colors. So stay tuned for the whole video. All right guys, so somebody shattered my window and it's 500 bucks to change it. I'm not going to do it right now, so I need to kind of make this look a little more presentable. So we got this. This is just dollar store duct tape. So we're going to go and put one more piece on here. We're going to hopefully do a nice cut. The problem is, as you can see, it's still not long enough, but it's going to look much better. So let's go and take this out. This is just a matte vinyl that we're going to apply. All right, so it's just a double adhesive, and all you do is kind of pull on it. Now it does smell a little bit like sulfur. Of course, we're not going out to do a proper flush thing because we didn't remove the old tape. You're still seeing the creases, but I just want it to be a little more presentable, a little better cut in. Like a squeegee would be very helpful here as well, but of course likely your application is much different than mine. All right, so it's done. I ended up using 3 layers here, and I even had one more layer put underneath, although I didn't record it, but it is underneath all this on the inside. So one this way, and then we did 3 layers this way. So one, and then again, one. Comes in different widths. It's actually really easy to work with. It feels nice and smooth. It's matte. You can't get these in glossy. You can get these absolutely any color you want, blue, green, white. But again, for my purposes, I think it works. But in any case, that's the vinyl. Definitely recommended.